Welcome to FBF Gallery, your trusted product review hub. Detailed product information and product links are provided in the video description box. Charge smarter with GUWIEYG and EYRE. Experience high-speed 300A, 350A charging with CCS 2 to Tesla and CCS 2 to CCS1 adapters, built for Tesla Model 3/X/Y and all CCS standard EVs. Fast, safe, and ready for any charger worldwide. Number 3. GUWIEYG 300A CCS 2 Tesla AC+DC adapter. Description: unlock full charging flexibility for your Tesla with the GUWIEYG CCS 2 Tesla AC+DC adapter. Designed for owners of the Tesla Model 3/Tesla Model X/Tesla Model Y, this adapter supports both AC and DC charging stations, giving you one adapter for almost every charging scenario. Key features: rated up to 300A, capable of high-power fast charging. Input: CCS 2 plug or Type 2 plug from the charging station. Output: Tesla vehicle inlet for models 3, X, Y. Made in USA. Dual function, AC and DC supported, so you don't need separate adapters for AC/Type 2 and DC/CCS2. Durable build, fire-resistant housing, premium copper contacts, weather-protected design. Number 2. GUWIEYG CCS 2 to Tesla AC+DC adapter. Description: unlock full flexibility for your Tesla with the GUWIEYG CCS 2 Tesla AC+DC adapter, designed for premium compatibility with Tesla Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and more. This versatile adapter enables you to connect to both CCS2 and AC Type 2 charging stations, converting them for use with the Tesla/NACS port on your vehicle. Key features: high power capability, rated up to 300A and supports AC/Type 2 charging as well. Input side, CCS2 plug from charging station. Output side, Tesla/NACS connector for Tesla vehicles. Number 1. EV charger converter for CCS2 vehicle to CCS1 car charging. Description: unlock seamless high-power charging compatibility for your electric vehicle with the GUWIEYG CCS2 CCS1 adapter. Designed specifically for use between CCS2 charging stations and CCS1 vehicle inlets, or vice versa depending on configuration, this adapter supports up to 350A/350 kW with a voltage rating of up to 1000 VDC, making it ideal for fast charging scenarios. Now you can bridge the standard gap between European/Asia CCS2 infrastructure and vehicles built for CCS1, expanding your charging options globally. Thanks for watching FBF Galleries. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more real product reviews. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload.